All right, so if you don't like all those chat features on your Android text messaging app, meaning Google Messages, you can turn them off. First, you'll go to Messages, and on the main page here that lists all your conversations, tap your profile in the top right corner and go to Messages Settings. From here, on the very top, you'll see RCS Chats. RCS refers to Rich Communication Services, and that's the modern messaging protocol that has all those chat features. So you can turn it off if you want. You're going to lose the ability to share high-quality photos and videos, participate in RCS group chats, read receipts, typing indicators, yada yada yada. Basically everything that's part of RCS. So if you don't like that stuff, just turn it off. And after that, your messages will use the good old standard SMS and MMS protocol, which is what texting used to be for years and years before RCS became a thing. And that is how you turn off the chat features on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more quick, straight-to-the-point guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.